And you never bribed any police officer when you were speeding or anything, or could they be bribed?
Oh, listen, I used to go from Miami, my house in Miami, to my ranch was 90 miles.
Yeah.
And there was a little town called Belle Glade.
Yeah.
And every Friday, this cop would be waiting for me.
Oh, that's bad.
And I knew where he was. And when I saw him, I hit that thing at 140.
Yeah.
So he must have given me 20 tickets.
Yeah.
I don't know why he never figured out that I didn't give a shit, that I had the sheriff paid off. You know? The minute he gave me that ticket, I don't know why he didn't figure out that I would never go to court.
Yeah. Yeah.
So they'd give me that. I'd be there and waiting for him. I say, hey, I'll see you next Friday.
So your lawyers took care of the tickets, but they couldn't bribe the police officers?
Oh, we had the sheriff, the head of the police. We had him.
Oh, you bought off the sheriff? Oh, that's crazy.
We were landing airplanes with his protection.
Oh yeah. Now I remember. It was what's his name, and that's he got like 15 years in prison or so.
Yeah. Yeah, now he testified against Sal and Willie.
Yeah, exactly. And do you have contact with him, or maybe he's?
No.
It's good just to leave that life behind, I guess.
Yeah, you're either pregnant or you're not pregnant.
Exactly. That's the decision you made.
You want to change your life? First thing you do, change your environment.
Yeah, left everything. Yeah.
Just walk away, move somewhere.
Yeah.
Because if not, you're going to be dragged into the same circle.
Yeah. Wow, what a crazy! But it feels like you kind of really learned. You learned so many lessons during this life. I mean, that many never will be close to learn. This life travel you have done.
Yeah, and that's why I do what I do now. I'm 64. Yeah. I was retired for 3 years without doing nothing. I didn't want to do anything. Yeah. I didn't want to come out. I didn't want people to know me.
Yeah,
I just wanted people to call me Dr. Valdes, a guy with a PhD, college professor.
Yeah.
And until my wife is like, listen, there's just so much you can give to the world, and it's selfish of you not to. So,
yeah, because I mean, when you tell the world, I mean, you had the private jets, you had the helicopters, you had the Gemballa Porsches, the Lamborghini Countach, you had Corvettes in every color, and you kind of can tell people, maybe like me also, that I mean, once you reach there, maybe it's nothing to reach. I mean, the real value is, as you put it, to be able to meet your daughter at school, make breakfast for your children, and spend time with your children, and also maybe your parents while they're alive.
Yeah, exactly. Because I'm going to tell you, when I built my company from scratch, we built it into a multi-million-dollar company. And when I was at the height of it, we had a 90-foot yacht, we had private jets. Yeah. I quit. I walked away from the company and moved my family to Mexico because I wanted my last 2 little kids to know me, because all my 6 kids love me, but they don't know me. The oldest ones, I was in prison most of their life, at that time, and I had 2 left, and I wanted to make breakfast for them. Yeah. And so I just dropped off my baby girl at college, Isabella, and just turned 18. And it's the most difficult thing I've ever been through in my life. But I realized one thing, and I was telling this to my wife. I said, you know how I can make it every day without her, and knowing that, she's gonna be fine, because number 1, I invested in her life. And number 2, the worst thing in this world you have to live with, asking yourself, what if? Yeah. What if I had walked away? Yeah. What if I had spent more time with my children? What if I had spent more time with my parents? I went to see my parents every day when people were out there looking to kill me. My bodyguard used to say, we spend thousands to protect you, and everybody knows you're going to be having dinner at your mom's house every day you're in Miami. But I love my parents that much, and my kids. So now when I look at my kids, I don't have to ask myself, what if I spend more time with them?
No, because you really spent